Should my heat pump frost over in winter? Yes, a light layer of frost on your heat pump during winter is completely normal, since the unit is built to melt it off on its own through a built-in defrost cycle. A little frost is not a problem, but thick ice that never melts away is something to pay attention to. Here's how it actually works. Your heat pump pulls heat from the cold outdoor air to warm your home, and that process makes the outdoor coils very cold. When moisture in the air touches those cold coils, it turns into frost, kind of like how a cold glass of lemonade gets foggy on a hot day. Most heat pumps have a smart feature called a defrost cycle. In about every 1 hour or so, the system briefly reverses itself to melt that frost off the coils. During this short cycle, you might notice steam rising from the unit, or your indoor vents might blow slightly cool air for a few minutes, and that is completely normal, not a sign of a broken system. Here's something most homeowners never learn. This defrost cycle is controlled by a timer and a temperature sensor working together, and if either one fails, your unit can ice over badly without you knowing why. Checking your outdoor unit once every few weeks during winter is a simple habit that can catch problems early. One common mistake is blocking the outdoor unit with snow, leaves, or a cover, which traps moisture and makes icing much worse, so always keep at least 2 feet of clear space around it. Another misconception is thinking any frost means the system is broken, when really it is only a problem if thick ice covers the coils and does not melt after a defrost cycle. People also forget to check the air filter, and a dirty filter reduces airflow, which can trigger poor performance and heavier frost buildup, so swap it out every 1 to 3 months. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.